Hello children, today we will start with subject and predicate. In the previous module, we had already learned about what a sentence is and the types of sentences. So we'll do a quick recap about sentences. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It can be a statement or assertive, question or interrogative, command or imperative, or an exclamation sentence. And not to miss that a sentence always begins with a capital letter and it can end with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamatory mark. Now that we have learned what a sentence is, let's learn about the parts of a sentence. A sentence can be divided into two parts, a subject and a predicate. The part of a sentence that talks about a noun is referred to as a subject, and the other part of the sentence that tells us about the subject, what the subject is doing, is the predicate of the sentence. Look at the given example. The children are enjoying in the park. Here, the subject is the children because they are being talked in the sentence. And what are they doing? They are enjoying in the park. That is the predicate. The predicate always tells us what the subject is doing. Going to the next example, Riya and Rahul go to the same school. Here, the subject is Riya and Rahul because this is the noun in this subject, and the predicate is go to the same school because it is telling us what the subject is doing. Some more rules about subject and predicate. The subject usually comes before the predicate in a sentence, but in some cases, the order of words may be changed. Let's look at the example given here. What frightened Rohan? Here, Rohan being the subject, but it is placed at the end of the sentence. So, in some cases, the order can be changed. In all command sentences like keep off the grass, change your dress, here the subject you is understood. It is not stated here, but we can make out that you keep off the grass, you change your dress, but it is not written here. So the subject is understood in such command sentences. So we can say the subject is about who or what of the sentence, and the predicate is what is happening in the sentence. Let's find the subject and predicate of the given sentences below. First, Ronaldo is a footballer. Here, Ronaldo is the subject and is a footballer is the predicate. Second, the lion roared at Priya. The lion is the subject and roared at Priya is the predicate. Now children, the next three sentences you will do on your own. I hope the concept of subject and predicate is clear to you all now. Now the task is in front of you. You need to color the subject blue and the predicate read in the given sentences. I hope, children, now you are able to define the terms subject and predicate as the two parts of a sentence, define a sentence, and identify subject and predicate in a sentence. Thank you so much for watching the video.